Do you want to travel?
Yeah, I want to travel.
Where do you want to go?
Next I will go to London.
To London.
Yes,
Wow.
Paris,
Wow.
France.
That's
He wants to go. He wants to go.
you want to go?
Yeah.
But
You're winning, you're
but he
winning.
couldn't wonder.
By the way,
Will.
which dish do you think danger but tasty?
The what?
Which dish do you think danger but when you
She's
eat
talking about food.
The
when
food.
you
Which
eat
dish?
but it is tasty?
Which dish is tasty?
Oh, danger.
Tasty. I had in Jaipur. I had an egg curry. Oh, it's delicious. Which one do you like?
I like
Oh, I have to try that one.
Yes, you have to try it. It's too good.
This comes with bread,
No.
Big paratha.
big paratha.
Big paratha.
I
Like
had
It
yesterday.
is made by oil
Okay, yesterday I had
And
and maida.
yesterday I had mutton biryani.
I think you
Mutton-
should.
mutton?
I think you should eat with us.
Yes, yeah. Oh. Have you tried that one? Yes. The mutton biryani.
biryani. I like biryani.
Biryani. You
But
haven't
I-
tried?
He is
He
non-vegetarian.
don't eat. He don't eat. He doesn't eat. He doesn't eat.
It's vegetarian.
He is
Vegetarian. So egg curry.
he is vegetarian.
You have egg curry.
There is no anyone with you,
I'm
like your
alone.
girlfriend.
Here I'm alone.
You are
You are
only
alone.
alone here.
Why?
In India, yes. Because I'm traveling. I wanted to come to India and I didn't.
Didn't
ask
she
anyone,
come?
and I just came
Why didn't she come?
because she's working.
Working.
Is work
Where does she work?
Who's your role model?
Where does she work?
She works in a university.
Chole bhature.
Which university can you tell me?
University of Illinois.
Oh.
Yes.
Chole bhature is
We all are in school.
You are in
Chole
school.
bhature.
Yeah,
What
I am in
grade?
10th.
chole
Same grade.
bhature.
Yes.
Chole
You?
bhature.
You?
Chole bhature.
Which grade school?
UKG.
Class.
Class.
Two class.
Two class.
Second.
Second. Do you like what are you learning? Numbers. Numbers.
He is
The
learning
food.
chole.
The food. Do you like numbers? Numbers.
He's
Say
talking
counting.
about He likes chole bhature.
Say
and
counting.
he's saying, I am
Counting.
learning.
Counting. Say counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Say.
Count.
Tell him what do you learn in school.
What do you learn in school?
He only plays.
Can you tell me, do you like
he only
Indian
plays.
football?
Do you like
only
cricket?
plays in the
Do you like cricket?
Cricket.
Yes,
like
cricket.
cricket, yes.
Soccer.
Which cricket do you like in India?
Cricketer.
Do you like football? Football también.
He is fan of
You know
Ronaldo.
Messi? You know Messi?
Ya है मैसी.
नहीं.
Yeah, I know